check the stomach.
Oh.
I did.
You did?
Yeah. So what do you think? What's the verdict? Is he very sick? Is he getting better?
Not
No.
better?
No. So what do we got to do to him?
Maybe he needs a hug.
No.
No.
No. What does he need?
I need medicine.
You need medicine?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
That'll help him. All right, hand that to him. Maybe he'll drink that and he'll feel better. Well, it's pretty heavy,
You
right?
better with a checkup.
There you
Use
go.
that band-aid on, okay?
All right.
Okay.
That's medicine.
Yep. He's gonna leave the Band-Aid on.
You have to use this on.
Hmm.
Yeah, you do have to use it on back till it goes away.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Danny, how you feeling?
Feel good
Do you feel a little
now?
bit better now?
Maybe I have to get here and I know a checkup.
Yeah, you need to give him another checkup? All right. Let's see what's going on with him. How's your chest? How does it feel?
Yeah, we-
No.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, blue.
Oh, good, yeah.
Blue is good.
Getting better, baby.
Yeah. I hope so.
I hope so.
Oh, we need to do this better.
How's his
it
blood
good?
pressure? Is it good?
I think so.
She's going to do it then.
Okay.
Now you have to feel better. Danny.
That's funny. It's not funny, guys. It's not funny. It's not funny.
No, it's okay.
It's not funny. It's not
You
funny.
know what? It's because he feels better with your checkup.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's hurt.
Do you feel that?
I'll put this one again.
Oh,
All right. How's he doing?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No,
Is he gonna be okay, Avery?
I don't know.
Should he get rest now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In bed.
He needs to go to bed?
you need the bed, right?
What do you think?
Danny,
Yeah.
you have to rest.
Danny, how you feeling? You feel better now that you got checked up?
You feel better, right?
It's split now.
It's split? What split?
The burn.
It's gone now?
No, it just split. It splits like that. It splits two at a time.
2 at a time?
It's a gas ball or something.
You want it?
Does it hurt here, Danny, in your tummy, or up here?
Yeah.
There.
This will help my
Why was it hurting? What did you do that made it hurt? Did you fall or bang into something?
Or you have something in the mouth?
No, because the cake did.
Yeah, but you ate cake a long time ago, so the cake should be gone by now. You
But
think?
he didn't eat cake.
And you only ate a little tiny
Give
bit.
to
You only licked it.
Back to you.
But it just did.
Hmm.
I think this will help.
All right.